Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Honda Odyssey oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is off, but the ignition is in the on position. Do not start the engine. This initial step prepares your Odyssey for the reset procedure. You'll typically find the necessary controls on your dashboard, often near the instrument cluster. Getting this right sets you up for a smooth reset process. Now, let's use the dash buttons. Locate the Cell/Reset button on your instrument panel. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life display on your dashboard begin to blink. Once it starts blinking, release the button. Then, immediately press and hold the Cell/Reset button again for another 5 seconds. This action confirms your reset selection. For some Honda Odyssey models, you might use the display screen. With the ignition on, use the steering wheel controls to navigate through the menus on your multi-information display. Look for the Maintenance section. Once there, select Oil Life from the available options. You will then see a prompt to reset the oil life. Confirm your selection to complete the process through the screen interface. After performing the reset, turn your ignition off and then back on. Check your dashboard display to ensure the oil life indicator now reads 100%. This confirms a successful reset. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace an actual oil change. Always follow your Honda Odyssey's recommended maintenance schedule for oil changes to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently for many years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.